Over the course of the next 70 years, humanity is poised to witness and initiate an array of extraordinary space events. These events, ranging from celestial phenomena to groundbreaking human-led space missions, will not only enhance our understanding of the universe but also redefine our place within it. Eclipses and transits. Over the next 7 decades, numerous solar and lunar eclipses will captivate observers on Earth. Among the most notable will be the total solar eclipses across North America in 2024 and again in 2045, offering millions the rare chance to experience daytime darkness as the moon completely covers the sun. Additionally, transits of Mercury and Venus across the face of the sun, though less frequent, will provide valuable opportunities for scientific study and public engagement with astronomy. Return to the Moon. NASA's Artemis program, aiming to return humans to the Moon by the mid-2020s, plans to establish a sustainable lunar presence by the end of the decade. This initiative will involve constructing a lunar gateway, a space station in orbit around the Moon that will serve as a multi-purpose outpost for human and robotic missions. The Artemis program is not just about landing astronauts on the Moon but also setting the stage for long-term lunar habitation, scientific research, and testing technologies for Mars expeditions. Mars missions. The journey to Mars is set to be humanity's next giant leap, with several uncrewed missions planned in the 2020s and 2030s, leading up to potential human landings. NASA, along with partners like SpaceX, is aiming for crewed Mars missions possibly in the 2030s. These missions will tackle immense challenges such as long-duration space travel, life support in Martian environments, and the utilization of local resources for fuel and water. Asteroid exploration and mining. Several missions over the next few decades are planned to explore and potentially mine asteroids. These missions aim to gather scientific data on the composition of asteroids and test the feasibility of extracting resources like water, precious metals, and minerals. The potential commercialization of asteroid mining could not only provide resources necessary for sustained space exploration but also benefit industries on Earth. Search for exoplanets and life. The search for exoplanets, planets outside our solar system, is expected to accelerate with new space telescopes and observatories. Missions like the recently launched James Webb Space Telescope and planned future missions like the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope and the European Extremely Large Telescope will enhance our capability to detect Earth-like exoplanets and analyze their atmospheres for signs of life. Space tourism. The next few decades will likely see the expansion of space tourism, with companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic making suborbital and orbital space more accessible. While initially the domain of the wealthy, increased competition and technological advancements may eventually lower costs, making space travel a reality for more people. Interstellar probes. Concepts like Breakthrough Starshot, which aims to develop a fleet of light-sail spacecraft capable of making the journey to the Alpha Centauri star system, represent the long-term aspirations of human space exploration. Although a mission to another star system within 70 years is optimistic, research and development in this area could yield technologies that transform our approach to space travel. Space-based solar power. As the demand for clean energy grows, so too does the potential for space-based solar power systems. These systems would collect solar energy in space, where it is more abundant, and wirelessly transmit it back to Earth. Pilot projects and demonstrations within the next few decades could pave the way for commercial-scale operations. Celestial defense. Efforts to protect Earth from potential asteroid impacts will continue to advance. Missions like NASA's DART, Double Asteroid Redirection Test, which aims to test methods of asteroid deflection, are part of a broader strategy to prepare for Earth-bound objects that could pose a threat. Dark matter and dark energy missions. The enigmatic dark matter and dark energy, which together comprise most of the universe's mass energy content, remain largely mysterious. Upcoming missions and experiments are designed to probe these phenomena more deeply than ever before, potentially unraveling some of the most profound mysteries of cosmology. As we look forward to these exciting developments, the timeline of anticipated space events serves as a reminder of our ever-expanding horizon. Each mission and discovery builds on the last, propelling us further into the unknown and illuminating not just the cosmos, but also our place within it.